Yo, YouTubers, what's up, everyone? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get verified on Instagram. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so first, you want to go into the Instagram app, into the Instagram page. First you want to go into the Instagram app. Then what you want to do is click on your channel icon down at the bottom that says home, search, plus thingy. I don't know what that is. Oh, add a photo, your likes, and your profile. So your profile is at the end. Okay, so next, once you're at your profile, go to next you go to this where you go to this three lines thingy right by the post archive thingy. Okay, go down here on settings. Then what you want to do is, once you're at your settings, you will see this: follow and invite friends, your activity, notifications. I'm not going to read all of those, but next what you want to do is go to account, and then you will see this. Once you see this, go to request verification right there, right by original posts and posts you've liked. Okay, request verification. Okay, now you don't want to overuse this. It says apply for Instagram verification. A verified badge is a check that appears next to an Instagram account's name to indicate that the account is the authentic presence of a notable public figure, celebrity, global brand, or entity it represents. Submitting a request for verification does not guarantee that your account will be verified, so keep that in mind. So you want to put your full name. I'm going to put that. There we go. I am known as Nick. That's my nickname. Okay, and next what you want to do is select a category. You can select from news and media, sports, government, politics, music, fashion, entertainment, blogger and influencer, business, brand and organization, or other. So the news and media is like CDs, and that's media, or movies or something like that. The news is like ABC 13, and yeah. Sports is like the Houston Astros, my home team, the Texas Rangers, the Dallas Cowboys. Government and politics is like Donald Trump, the USA. Okay, that's what government and politics is. The music is like Christian music. Is like Chris Tomlin, Eminem, etc. Chris Tomlin is a Christian and worship singer, and Eminem is a rap singer. Okay, fashion is like clothing, and just like Forever 21 is a fashion store. Entertainment is like movies. Yeah, the Emoji Movie. If you haven't seen that, go watch. If you haven't seen that movie, I think you'll like it. Blogger and influencer, that is like a YouTuber, blogger. Okay, business, brand, and organization, that is like I don't know, like I go to Resound Choir, that's an organization. Resound Choir is a special needs choir that we sing Christian music. Or you can choose other. I'm going to choose entertainment. Okay, please attach a photo of your ID. Read that, and then choose file. Choose a file that you want to add. I'm going to choose this one. I chose Just because my path is different doesn't mean I'm lost. Right there, I choose that one. Okay, open. Okay, click send. Okay, so that is how you request verification. Verification, request submitted. We'll let you know once we've reviewed your request for a verified badge. So that is how you, get verified on Instagram. Okay, so remember, like, comment, subscribe. Okay? Like, comment, subscribe. Peace out.